Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's me, Spumatic. Back at it again. Hey, YouTube. So before the GTR, I had the Z06, and before the Z06, I had an Evo 10. Now that Evo 10, I was fully built. I actually built it twice. The first time, it was stock block and GSC S1 stage 1 cams and a Map stock frame Map EF4 turbo. And I drove the car all the way down to New Jersey to Ivy Tune, and it blew up on the dyno. It looks like it ran lean, and a couple of my pistons burned up, which you're gonna see pics of that. So then I had to rebuild. So you're gonna see pictures of what happened to the piston. It looks like it leaned out and it cracked. That happened, and so I did CP pistons and Manley H-beam rods, and I think I was supposed to get I-beam rods. So that was put together. The car, took the car to the shop, and it made good power there. I left at 440-ish and brought it back to turn it back up some more, and it was too much for the odds. So they said we're out of here during a test drive. I wasn't test driving it. The tuner was test driving it on the street just to make sure everything was all right, and it ended up shooting a rod right out the block. So that was my second time at a tuner. Very distraught. Then I for the third build, I just went all out, called Map, and I got stage 3 block, sleeved, everything, and got the heads redone over, and I upgraded the cams to the GSC stage 2s. Also did a Map tubular manifold, and that was finally tuned by Marsh. You're gonna see the last video is of that tune, and it made 500 at, I believe it was 28-29 psi on 93. The thing is, it made the power so far in the power band, it was almost unusable. I would have to extend my rev limiter out further, which I wasn't comfortable with. But yep. But yep, I guess you could say Marsh is the only guy that didn't fail me with the blow up. So the car ran good. You know, I was just not happy in the power delivery, and I got too big of a turbo for my setup. So I ended up going trading it in for the vet.
I had to tell my old hoe adios. My new bitch, she so bad, she do the most. She cook, she clean, and she buy me clothes. I had to tell my old hoes adios. Park the foreign body coast. Me and all my bros got all it dope. If you hatin', yeah, you do the most. I had to tell my old hoes adios. I came to the dinner froze. I didn't wear no dinner clothes. They asking questions, I said I don't know. All I know is that my team finna blow. Oh, you mad? That's why you hating on the low. Cop a new foreign, park it by the coast. Okay, me, my bros got a lot of dope. You hating? Yeah, I see you doing the most. They doing the most. We had lobster by the coast. I know she feels some type of way because she chose. I usually just sit and scream out adios. She can tell that I got all the hoes. She go through my smell it on my clothes. I hit the gas, then adios. I had to tell my ojo adios.
So give me a like if you're a car guy, if you're into modding cars, if you ever had engine failures, because I had a ton of engine failures in my life career of modding cars. I have had a ton ever since 16, 17, all the way to now. So give me subscribe, comment, like, and share. I'm gonna have plenty of car content, and I'm gonna keep it going. I ain't stopping. Ain't gonna stop till I reach the top. Okay, I mean whatever. Whatever.
Lord knows I need it.
My new bitch, she so bad, she do the most. She cooks, she clean, and she buy me clothes. I had to tell